Alright guys, you're the winners of our Community Saviour month of May. Congrats. We're in Bikeworks right now, and could you tell us just a brief description about your business?
We're a community interest company, and the aim is basically to make cycling as accessible to as many people as possible. We do that through cycle training, we do mechanics courses, we also do all abilities classes, disabled people with learning difficulties, and we also do schools classes as well. We started off as just a little unit in Victoria Park, and it's just grown and grown, and the shop is just a revenue stream for us, so any profit we make gets pumped into all of our other projects. And I mean, to that end, we've now got 3 shops open in London. We're growing baby.
That's good. Here it is. Open it up, see what's inside.
Yeah, recycle that sticker. What's going?
So how long do you think it's going to take you to finish this? An estimate?
End of the day? End of the day, yeah. I mean, we ride quite a lot, so yeah, this is all going to be gone pretty much.
Yeah, I mean,
my favourites!
It's all like perfect riding food, man. Lots of nuts and seeds.
Some energy bars here and there. After cycling, ideal.
Popcorn to watch while the Tour de France is on.
Yeah, there you go.
Excellent. Some chocolate. Yeah, all good.
Sweet, man. Thanks very much, guys.
Alright. Remember to vote for the month of July. They're the winners of May. And just check our website, saviorsnacks.com.